Hello guys! Today, my name is Marnie, one of the promoter here in Huawei Concept Store, Ayala Mall Central Block. Introduce ko sa inyo ngayon guys ang ating bagong Huawei MatePad T8 Kids Edition. Ano po ang nakaganda ng ating MatePad T8 guys? First, meron po tayong parental system. Ano pong meron sa ating parental system guys? Meron po tayong first one is time management. Yung time management guys is ma-maximize o ma-minimize o mabigyan mo lang ng oras ng iyong anak kung ilang oras siya pwedeng gumamit ng tablet. Second, meron po tayong app management guys. Yung app management guys is ma-open lang ng iyong anak yung mga suitable application na pwede nilang buksan. Meron din po tayong content management guys. Yung content management guys is ma-open lang nila. Example yun. Pwede lang nilang mga application or mga videos, pictures na pwede lang nilang gamitin or pwede lang nilang buksan or pwede lang nilang i-open. Meron din tayong usage management guys na pwede natin matrack kung ano ang mga application o ano ang mga binubuksan ng ating mga anak sa tablet ng ating kids. For the KSP number 2 guys is meron po tayong eye protection na makakatulong po sa pag-filter ng mga harmful blue light sa paggamit ng tablet. Example po, ang iyong anak is magbabad sa paggamit ng tablet o paggamit ng mga pag-view ng mga videos, mga photos or games, at safety po yung mga mata ng iyong anak guys. At saka meron din po tayong posture alert na kailangan tama ang paggamit o paghawak ng tablet sa iyong anak. And meron din po tayong bumpy B road alert guys. Example, nagta-travel kayo or naglalaro yung anak mo or while po nag-use ng tablet is meron po siyang alert na kailangan tumigil or maayos sa pag-uupo para yung anak mo hindi sasakit yung mata at saka yung ulo niya. And the third KSP guys is meron po tayong Kids Corner. Third KSP guys is meron po tayong Kids Corner. Ito po, makikita po natin ang mga application ng Kids Corner guys. Meron po tayong recorder, camera, multimedia, kids painting, Azumi, and BB Panda World. Meron po tayong 3 months subscription po ng ating BB Bus while purchasing the Huawei MatePad T8. And meron po tayong 1 year subscription of ng ating Azumi premium account while purchasing our Huawei MatePad T8 guys. At of course, meron din po tayong kids pencil at saka meron din po tayong kids case na ito yung pinakamagandang case at saka pencil ng ating Huawei MatePad T8. Pwede din po mag-painting ang iyong anak. Buksan lang dito, magpipaint. And of course, our fourth KSP guys is meron po tayong AC modes switch. Pwede po natin i-switch yung ating tablet from kids mode to standard mode. So, pwede natin magamit as ordinary tablet or standard app. Pwede natin lagyan ng Facebook, Messenger, YouTube yung ating tablet guys. Example, yung meron kang anak na 10 years old na ayaw gagamit ng ating Huawei Kids Corner, pwede po siyang gagamit ng ating normal tablet. So, yan lang po ang ating Huawei MatePad T8 guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Here's how to access the application using the QR code. Step 1. Scan the QR code from the inbox card. Step 2. Redirect it automatically to the official website. Step 3. Drag down the page and click the app installation guide for MatePad T8 for Kids. Step 4. Page drag down the app installation guide for MatePad T8 for Kids and find different applications you can install. Baby Bus World 3 months free membership, how to claim. Step 1. Open Baby Panda World and click the diamond button to access subscription page. Step 2. Choose monthly subscription. Click Start Free Trial. Step 3. Subscribe to get 3 months VIP for free, which is automatic renewal. And Step 4. Enjoy abundant unlocked featured content after subscription. Azumi 12 months free membership, how to claim. Step 1. Open Azumi application. Step 2. Sign in with Huawei ID to claim the subscription. Step 3. Once subscription is succeeded, you can continue to premium subscription as a parent account and set your PIN and password. Step 4. Then you can create your child's account by supplying necessary details. Step 5. You can now enjoy the abundant features of the application.
That's all for today, guys. This is our Wow Meet Pati. Thank you for watching. Bye!